Imagine sailing through the turquoise Ionian Sea, the sun warming your skin, and two islands ahead, each promising a different kind of paradise. Lefkada and Meganisi may be close in distance, but they speak to travelers in very different tones. Lefkada is all drama and dazzle. Connected to the mainland by a causeway, this island feels easy to reach, but worlds away from everyday life. It's best known for its breathtaking beaches like Porto Katsiki and Agremni, cliffs rising over glowing blue waters, scenes made for postcards. The island offers more than beauty. Adventure seekers can go windsurfing in Vasiliki, paragliding over Kathisma, or hiking through waterfalls near Nidri. Lefkada doesn't whisper, it sings. Meganisi, just a short boat ride away, offers a softer song. This tiny, sleepy island is a haven for sailors who glide into its sheltered coves to find peaceful harbors and a slower pace of life. Villages like Spartakori and Bathi feel like Greece from another time, untouched and warmly authentic. Here, life unfolds in slow motion, long seafood lunches, strolls through bougainvillea-lined lanes, and swimming in hidden bays where you might be the only soul around. Lefkada invites you to explore, to conquer cliffs and capture views. Meganisi invites you to pause, breathe, and float, literally and spiritually. One is made for the adventurous heart, the other for the soul that craves quiet.so. Which would you choose? The sweeping beaches and energetic vibes of Lefkada or the tranquil, nautical charm of Meganisi?